There's currently only 3 licensed medical marijuana dispensaries in Texas, a small number because the list of conditions for legal prescriptions is limited. Thursday, the State Public Safety Commission was told the recent inclusion of PTSD will dramatically increase demand.
The next 18 to 24 months, we should be seeing somewhere in the range of 100,000 patients. I think we will get there. And so again, that's why we're trying to plan now for that eventuality.
He said 100,000 in 18 months. Do you believe it?
No.
Small or bigger?
Much larger.
Jeffrey Young is the founder of the Veterans Cannabis Project.
PTSD alone should be able to clear that hurdle. And then adding in the rest of the diagnosis as well, much less what could be added in the upcoming legislative session.
Young is encouraged that more licenses may be added, but regulators made it clear Thursday how many remains in question.
As I said last meeting, and the numbers still hold true, we do not need another licensee right now today. But the projections clearly show that we are going to need one in the next several months.
In comparison to other medical marijuana states, the 3 licensed dispensaries in Texas are outnumbered. Florida has 22. Oklahoma has 2,477.
I don't think that there's any state that's gotten it exactly right just yet.
One of the 3 Texas sites is located in South Austin.
And when we're 6 months or so before we're going to cross a threshold, that's when I think they need to look at giving out an additional license.
Morris Denton, the owner of Texas Original, advocates a slow approach to license expansion.
It's when you create too much product and you have too much supply that it craters the market and it creates the potential for licensees to be selling product out the back door or to non-licensed patients, right? And that's the last thing that we as a compassionate use program in the state of Texas need are some bad headlines.
Texas law only allows 1 location for a license holder, which is why Denton favors a different kind of expansion.
It's kind of like telling a pizza company, hey, look, you guys can cook pizzas, but you got to serve the whole state and you're only allowed to have 1 kitchen and your pizzas better arrive hot. Right? I mean, it's a logistical impossibility for us in the state of Texas, as big as the state is geographically, to adequately and efficiently serve patients, regardless of whether they live in El Paso or Texarkana or Amarillo or Brownsville.
With that in mind, the commission is starting the process of drafting rules for license holders to open satellite storefronts in different parts of the state.